Hi everyone and welcome to this video from ExcelTips. In this video, we will see how we can split data into different columns in Excel. That is, take data which is in a single cell and transform it so that it is now available across multiple columns. To separate the contents of an Excel cell into different columns, you can use the text to column wizard. The text to column wizard is available under the data tab under the data tools section. So let us see how we can use the text to column wizard. In order to use the text to columns, first what we need to do is to select the range which has the data you are looking to split. For example, I have my data here in column A, so I will select column A and I will click on the text to columns wizard here. So this brings up the text to column wizard here. Initially, what I am trying to do is I am trying to split the data by a delimiter, which is the comma. So I will use the delimited option here. I will come to the fixed width option in a little while. So with this selected, we can click on next. As you can see, the option, it gives us a few options on delimiters. It has already identified that comma might be a option that I would be looking for, so it has pre-selected it. If for some reason it is not pre-selected, you can go ahead and click on the comma. So that would give you a data preview as how your data would look with these vertical lines showing you how it would be split across the different columns. Now with this selected, with your preferred delimiter selected, you can click on next or finish, but the best would be you can go to next and you can choose the destination column. So for example, one thing that you want to do is, do you want to do it in place or do you want to do it in a different location? I want to do it in a different location. If you want to split it in place, you can just keep the destination as same. Else what I would do is I want to keep this data intact and I will click here. So I would say that my destination after my columns are split is L1. Note that you can only convert this text to columns in the same sheet. It does not work if you try to select the data in a different sheet. So after that, as soon as you click finish, you can see your data has now been split across multiple columns, with each of the columns being with the data being separated by the commas. So 1 comma V sports comma V, so 1 is in one column, V sports is in the second column, V is in the third column, and so on and so forth. In a particular example where I have 2 commas, there was no data in between and it has inserted a blank column here. So similar to using the comma, we can use any other delimiter. For example, I will give a quick example here where I have a semicolon. Here I will select the range text to columns. Again, it is delimited. Go next. As you can see here, it says comma. I want to deselect the comma, click on the semicolon, and I can see the preview here looks good. I will go click on next, and here what I will do is I will do it in place. I will not give a new destination, and let's see what happens. So as soon as I click finish, what happens is my original data goes away and it is now split into columns here. In some instances, you might want to split the data after a certain number of characters. For example, here I want to split it. I just want the first 7 characters, and then I want to split it. I want to take only the first 7 characters and leave the rest alone. So here what I would be using, this is a perfect use case for a fixed width. So I will go and select the range, click on text to columns, click on fixed width, go next, and it will ask you where you want to set the field widths. So I will go here, I will click here, and it gives me a line. So this is where it will split it into columns. So I want it here. This would be one column and the rest would be in a separate column. Again, I do not want to delete my original data, so I am going to say that I want it in D1, and let me click finish. And as you can see, it is taken and it split it along the line where I have specified and has given me what I was looking for. So hope you enjoyed this video on how to split data into different columns in Excel. If this video was useful to you, do hit the like button. Thank you and have a wonderful day.